When I arrived here, I was broken, in pain, and it's been a week of a lot of healing, just feeling grateful, being surrounded by beautiful people. I began my spiritual journey roughly about 3 years ago, and I needed to find a place to really heal. Somehow, through just word of mouth, Arkana was suggested to me is the best decision by far. The staff is so supportive. They're making sure that you're okay at all times of the day. The shamans are so magical. They really care about the people that are coming in. It's definitely a safe space to come and be a better you. They prepare you once you're about to leave to integrate correctly and be prepared and not overwhelmed by the fact that there might be all these other circumstances that you're going back to from your former life, but now you have the tools that help you integrate into that new life that you've built for yourself and continue building. 1000% recommend coming. It helps heal your soul. It brings you so much joy, and you have a new family here.